I stop by this place all the time. Airparts is mostly known to the Airstream and small aircraft restoration and fabrication communities, but I wanted to shout them out because they're such a great resource for a lot of the work we do. This is where I get all the chromoly tubing I've mentioned previously, which they also have in flat and round bars and in sheets, and they have a great selection of aluminum too. In fact, they're the only place that sells aluminum sheet to the public in lengths over 12 feet. Check out these dispensing spools that the company founder MacGyvered out of vehicle hubs and rims. They've been in service for decades. Genius. The order they're working on is going to be skins for airplane wings. This is also where I get most of my specialty drill bits, which they have in extra long lengths and 64th inch increments. They have a nice selection of carbide burrs, which we use on both wood and metal. And there's an extensive array of fasteners and interesting random doohickeys. We're fortunate that they're right down the street, and the third generation owner-operators are the most delightful folks you ever want to deal with. But they do ship nationwide, so if you're a tinkery type like me, they're a great place to check for materials.
That old reel-to-reel tape deck.